lezi insizwe enizibona lapha emgwaqweni akulona ibutho yinsizwa yamadoda emizi obaba njengoba nisuke nibona khona ngisho abantu abadala kunathi abangaba ubaba kimi abangaba ngobaba kimi abasukumile bathi no lokho kwenzeke ezweni nami nginengane engasafuni ukufunda ngenxa yokuthi ihlele emgwaqweni angize ngizohlanganyela nalamadoda sihlanganisa amaphimbo sihlanganisa imimoya yethu senze into ewumkhuleko yingakho lokhu saqala uyobona ukuthi thina sihlabelela amaculo akwaZulu sinxusa uNkulunkulu ukuthi uNkulunkulu akabe nathi ukusilekelela ukuthi kulunge izwe ngakho ke akuwona amabutho lawa izinsizwa ngamadoda akhathazekile ngezwe lawo afuna izwe lawo lilunge yebo mhla inkosi ibiza abantu mhla inkosi iphumile imi ngaphandle iyakwazi ukubiza amabutho ithi amabutho abe khona ukhona umkhosi oselo umkhosi womhlanga umkhosi wokweshwama umkhosi
waseSandla ngoba bekuzoba umbuzo wami olandelayo lo usocishe wawuphendula kancane ngoba 2 days ago indunankulu yakwaZulu umntwana uShenge khulume istatement la esithi isilo kuphela esikwazi ukukhipha imvume ukuthi kuhlangana amabutho
no ubeqinisile uShenge ubeqinisile inkosi inazi izinto eqondene nazo ubeqinisile uShenge kunjalo inkosi kodwa isilo sineyinsuku zaso siyazi ukuthi nje isilo sizowabiza amabutho siwabizela umkhosi wakwaDukuza umkhosi weLembe
so siyavumelana ukuthi amabutho lawa
no akuwona amabutho izinsizwa lezi akusiwa amabutho inkosi kuphela ebiza amabutho insizwa mazihlanganisile zikhathazeke ngento eyenzeke endaweni akusili ibutho lela
kuba ifa kuona lamabutho insizwa lezi zakho Mphephetha they dress up like amabutho they behave like amabutho I've seen the kind of discipline kubona musukuba ubakhuza lapha emgwaqweni that one associates with military units and nawo amabutho they are armed like amabutho so if lamabutho akho engawona amabutho then who are these men that are in your regiment?
These are concerned citizens. These are concerned citizens. Uma ibutho alibi nomuntu osifazane phakathi. Ibutho akabibikho umuntu osifazane phakathi. So these are concerned South African people who happen to have a culture ekhona emagcekeni emzini yakubo so akusikho ukuthi njengoba bazi ukuthi kwenziwane emakhosini ngeke bekwenza abakwenzi ngegama lenkosi kulezi insuku bakwenza ngoba bangabantu base South Africa behlangene umuntu osifazana akangene ebuthweni so ke njengoba lezi insizwa ayihlangene ziza nezingane zakubo zamantombazana ziza nabantu besifazana
uyazi ukuthi Khathide leli butho lakho leli libutho
lezi
movement lezi
insizwa nomnsizwa
uyazi ukuthi mina lengikhumbuzani elaliba nabo nabantu besifazane nanani would you agree uma ngithi there are warring similarities between leli butho kwi movement yakho namabutho eIFP ngesikhathi sodlame esasiwabona ephuma emahostela and who are responsible for atrocious acts all over the country would you agree
no I won't agree because okokuqala lokho kwenziwa lezi insizwa ezikwazi ukulalela zu5000 zikwazi ukungilalela zu10000 akekho umuntu okwazi ukwenza leyo nto leyo akekho umuntu owenza leyo nto leyo laba abantu abanalo udlame we have been marching for over 1 year 6 months manje alukho udlame olukwela bakhona so ke masizoqhathanisa namabutho eIFP noma insizwa zeIFP phinde siqhathanise nabantu ababenza udlame
kodwa uyabona lama similarities zayiphuma emahostel
leza iphuma
loosely structured including having women oh okay
no these iphuma emahostel these are
ziphuma phi lezi insizwa
yabantu base South Africa laba they are coming all over the country and they are not provided transport. That's why when you see me in Joburg, you'll see 10,000 people. When you see me in Eastern Cape, you'll see 10,000 people. When you see me in Mpangeni, Mtubatuba, Esho, they are not even provided. These are people who understand the call and the cause that in South Africa, we have a problem. Let us show our government in a peaceful way. Ukuthi we want this country to be fixed.
Kuneyintsolo ezithi kunabantu abaneyinjongo zepolitiki zokufeza injongo zabo zepolitiki that your movement is being politicized ngizwe uthi la ngendlela amaZulu amaningi ngayo bekumele ngabe parliament icishe kodwa I think you've seen
No,
this
yeah.
bekumele ngabe parliament nina 90%. Awucabanga ukuthi inkulumo enje zifida le sentiment ethi you've got political ambitions yonke lento nisebenzela ukufeza injongo zepolitiki.
Yeah, abantu base South Africa are very smart people, and but they will always figure out if you say something out of just saying it, or you are saying it because you are ambitious about it. So I mean, I would never undermine abantu base South Africa ukuthi bathathe inkulumo yomuntu eyikhulumela ejabule bese beyamanisa nezinto, and we understand the attack that we have eqhamuka kubantu who don't want to see South Africa right, including leaders abangafuni ukubona South Africa ilunga, because voters to them is a business. So we are not, I mean, I'm not worried about what Macingwane. I know Macingwane. I know he's a very good-hearted man, and sometimes he will say things.
He doesn't want to see Parliament constitute 90% of Amazon.
I don't know. He's a man. He's an old man. He's a grown-up man.
Who is associated to your movement?
He's a man. He's a man. He's got his own ideas and everything. So when he was speaking there, I was not there, and I don't subscribe to what Macingwane says, and he doesn't subscribe to what I say. But when we sit down and talk about Izwe, and when we are together, whatever we say when we are together, it is something that but I respect him, I respect his opinions, and I will never say he's wrong, because I don't know what he was saying. And sometimes people will quote a 30 seconds out of context. Yeah.
Katide, I guess let's address the elephant in the room. Ngicabanga ukuthi sesilomenzane ngokwanele lezizinto. Umhla ka-30 June.
Yeah.
Kwenzekani abantu bahlelo ovalweni, umphakathi uhlelo ovalweni. No one wants to see the repeat July 2021.
It will never happen.
Kwenzekani ngomhla ka-30
It will never happen. I want to take our country into confidence. I want to promise uMengameli wezwe Cyril Ramaphosa. I want to take into confidence Ubaba Uthami Ntuli, who's leading the KZN province, and all other premiers in South Africa, to calm down and understand that we are only helping our leaders. We are saying actually the leaders on the day, and they should come out and come and address the crowds, because we are not going to damage anything. We are not going to break any infrastructure. We are going to say, look at us. We are here. You are our leaders. We have problems, and these are seeable problems. You can see them. They are in front of your face. The problem of immigration is right there in the leaders' faces. So they mustn't look other way. They must look at the real problem.
It's difficult to come down when I was saying given the events of last week, Escort, where we saw looting of
the community was provoked there. Let us be leaders. Let us be leaders, and let us be real about it. The community of Umjezi was provoked purposely by the illegal foreigners or people who are owning the spaza shops. They were provoked. We don't condone what happened, but ama-foreigners afana yeke ukwedelela abantu base South Africa, because going to court when you are given a deadline to say by this 21 days you should vacate those shops, because by constitutionally you are not supposed to own them. So if you nisuke lapho nihambe niyenkantolo niyodelela umholi, people were provoked. Angifuni ukuthi sithi le yanto yaba yinhle yaba yimbi kabi, asifisi futhi ukuthi yenzeke, but sicela abantu bokufika bewahloniphe ama South African and their leaders.
Ukhuluma ngokuleader izinsizwa eziyimillion ngomhla ka-30 June. Which one assumes ukuthi angicabanga ukuthi kuyoba imasha yodwa in one city.
All 9
given
provinces.
Assurance ukuthi you will be commanding them. First of all, angazi mhlawumbe usazongichazela ukuthi how you going to command all these 9 provinces. But as long as there is no provocation, there won't be looting. Is that what you're saying?
No.
If there is provocation,
no,
they will be looting.
They shouldn't be. They shouldn't be. We don't even want to go there. We don't even want to think about that, because we are saying we are peaceful. So why would you provoke peaceful people? We're just walking in the streets. We are saying to the government, look at us. We are 1 million people. We are concerned. Actually, it's not.
One has seen how you njengoba kade ngisho nje ngingakuncoma ukuthi indlela ama discipline onayo ungabuqamba manga umuntu futhi insizwa zakho whoever they are and wherever they come from, because asivumelananga lapho angakakucacela ukuthi
ziphuma emakhaya. Ziphuma emakhaya, you should join.
Kodwa ke ziya hayi ungakhohliswa yibuko ekhathide ngeinsizwa na siyakulalela manje kodwa in 9 provinces you can only be in one of those marches.
100%.
How then do we know what happens in the other 8 provinces?
We trust South Africans, we trust our pedis, we trust our Besotho betu, we trust our vendors, our Xhosas, amamponda, amaGhaghabe, amahlubi. We trust them that they want the same thing for South Africa. So wherever South Africans will be gathering, they must make sure ukuthi they call each other in order, so that to order, because bengenzi into thina as leaders. If they are following us, they mustn't do what we don't do. And if umuntu enza wherever he's going to be, enza into okungeyona, amaphoyisa should be there.
Are you nixhumene namaphoyisa
kakhulu siyawahlonipha amaphoyisa, and we always want them to be there, and that's why we are always live. When we are always live. You can't edit live.
So nisebenzisana net joins
yes. CPF, crime fighters, security companies, police, everyone. We are getting everybody involved to make sure ukuthi we don't find amadolobha ephazanyiswa nemisebenzi ephazanyiswa, and shops should be open. The shops for South Africans should be open on the day, because people will need water, they will need juices, they will need bread.
Which brings me to my next question. I-manifesto yakho, for want of a better description, ithi kumele ngomhla ka-30 June babe abokufika sebehambile, and then uphinde ukhulume nangokuprovoke ukuthi only i-violence ilokuza only when people are provoked. Clearly you and I know ukuthi bazobe bengahambile.
Yeah, we know some of them.
Then what happens to that ultimatum?
We got our lives to fix the country. The country has been run for 32 years under democracy. So you can't expect ukuthi ngo 1 year so uzokwenza imlingo. We are starting this thing. This thing is going to go on for the next until it's fixed. So that's why even in March and March would say we will march until we win, because into azamukisho mama Ngobese ukuthi asizukuma ukukhumbuza abaholi bethu ukuthi baholi bethu, we are the voters, we are South Africans, please look after us. So until that is done, we will never stop.
Inkinga ekhathide ukuthi some of your followers are taking this ultimatum literally. Again ngabe sibuza kama video la kunabantu abalolo bushu la ko Facebook.
No, people are
kunabantu abebalana ngezitolo ukuthi lesami kuzobe sekusami nanani. We know some of it is probably done in jest, kodwa we don't know ukuthi
no abantu
you just said now ukuthi this ultimatum is loose, but do your followers know that?
Yeah. No, abantu abayilolelo celemba, people will always, before these matches, people will make jokes about things. So they are just making jokes, and some of them are even making, now they've become content creators of this aligned with amamatch ethu. But siyazi ukuthi eqinisweni abantu bakithi, they want the country to be great. Abantu bakithi bafuna kulungizwe. Abantu bakithi, they know ukuthi they can't wake up in the morning and own a shop. But into ezokwenzeka, we will involve ETIA, we will involve small business, or involve LED bo masipala to groom our people to become entrepreneurs. Hayi ukuthi sizovele nje sivuke ekseni sonke sesona itolo. But lezi itolo eona abantu bokufika, they're not doing any good in the country, because these people don't bank South Africa. These people are selling illicit goods that are not coming through customs. They're not paying levies. So it doesn't matter. You can't be crying, if uvalwa lesitolo so sizoba ne problem. No, we won't have a problem, because as we are speaking, on Saturday, a child that is 6 years old is getting buried. We have a funeral because of this, and we have hospitals full of children who ate these illicit goods. And we
have funerals on both sides of the divide. Mossel Bay.
Yeah.
Nakhona bayangcwaba abantu bokufika ababulewe just this week, over the weekend. But yes, yisiyeke story somfana lo
obentshontsha. Yeah, obeba.
Kodwa ngibelieve ukuthi khona abantu ababulewe.
But still condolences to the boy's family, because he passed away anyway, whether he was stealing or what, he passed away. The saddest part ukuthi abantu bese besebenzisa ukufa komuntu kwaZulu, even umama wayo ingane kwaZulu ngokweculture yethu, and I know ukuthi kwaVenda nakwaXhosa nakwabani is the same culture yokuthi if somebody passed away, you contain yourself, uhlale uzile ubaba, hayi ukuthi umuntu ahambe ekhuluma nama social media efelwe kanti futhi ukukhulunywa amanga. So still sizwelana kakhulu nomndeni omfana, ngoba whether ubentshontsha ingane, whether ubentshontsha ubeganga, abafana bayaganga then walimala ke, kodwa nakubo laba bokufika futhi uma kukhona abalimele nakhona sithi shwele, kodwa ka asingene lapho thina. Sesifisa ukucacisa ke namhlanje ukuthi sicela ukuthi abantu uma bezohamba amamashi, kakhulukazi uma bezothi bahamba amamashi lawa wethu, kufanele kube ukuthi yithi esikhiphele poster yokuthi sizobe sise Daveyton, njoba sobe se Daveyton nje kusasa nango Monday, yithi esikhipha ipost, then abantu sebengeza kuleyo march and we have to be there. You can't say hayi senze imarch thina imarch inophakela umthakathi enuphakela umthakathi akayazi leyo. So ke sicela ukuthi bekiyeke lokho abantu, and sesizwile ukuthi abantu they are creating these marches to go and loot and and extort money from ama foreigners. So amaphoyisa must arrest those
people. And yonke leyo nto is being done in your name.
In my name. So they asikwazi ukuvuma leyo nto ukuthi abantu behambe beyokweba, beyontshontsha bethi hayi thina sizokuprotecta, hayi thina sizokuprotecta
the man. Even uyacabanga khathidi ukuthi if ngomhla ka-30 June turns out it goes out of hand, ukuthi you will be held liable.
No. Who will do that to me? Because mina wherever I will be, there won't be any violence. Where I will be, and remember, I've never called for any march on the 30th. I said 30th is a deadline. So I did not say on the 30th there will be a march. So whoever wants to be involved on what I will be doing on the 30th, they should come to where I am. So whatever is going to happen anywhere where I'm not around, it's not my problem. But we've issued the order. No looting, no vandalism, and no hatred, no tribalism, and no xenophobia. So we've been very clear from almost 1 year, 6 months.